Amazon Early Prime Day is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here, you'll find incredible discount of up 40% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up 6 best adjustable electric standing desk on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon. So don't forget to watch title to the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below.
Number 5. FLEXISPOT EN2 Whole-Piece Standing Desk with Clamp Power Strip, 55 by 28 electric stand-up height adjustable desk with cable management. FLEXISPOT. Shape, rectangular. Desk design, computer desk. Color, maple top plus white frame. Base material, alloy steel. Top material type, wood. Finish type, maple. Special feature, 55 by 28 one-piece desktop, power strip, cable management. Removable desktop power outlet. To ensure you can conveniently charge your electronic devices, the desktop is equipped with 3 power outlets and 2 USB charging ports. It can be clipped to the back or side of your desk to meet your needs for different locations. Tidy up your workspace with a cable management device. Ample whole-piece desktop. With its whole-piece 1-inch eco-friendly desktop, this standing desk provides plenty of room for your computer setup, documents, and accessories, creating a well-organized and productive work environment. Due to hand measurements, desktop dimensions may vary slightly from 0 to 1 inches. 4 memory buttons. Easily switch between sitting and standing positions with our 6-button digital controller that features 4 programmable memory presets. The motorized height adjustable system adjusts smoothly from 28.1 inches to 45.7 inches, and the motor runs quietly at less than 50 dB. Durable construction. Each desk frame is rigorously tested for performance, durability, and safety.
Number 4. VIVO Electric 71 by 30-inch Standing Desk. Memory height adjustment 1B series. Holds 220 pounds. Black top, black frame. Brand, VIVO. Included components: black 71-inch by 30-inch tabletop, black electric single-motor desk frame. Shape, rectangular. Desk design, computer desk. Color, black top, black frame. Style, modern. Base material, alloy steel. Top material type, engineered wood. Finish type, laminated. Create instant active standing. Go from sitting to standing in one smooth motion with this complete workstation, providing comfortable viewing angles and customized user heights. Spacious 3-piece 71-inch top. The large 70.9 by 29.5-inch table provides a spacious surface with extra depth for monitor setups, supplies, and decor. The desktop is made of particle board for a scratch-resistant surface. Powerful electric motor. Enjoy a height range of 29.2 to 48.4 inches with this frame's powerful motor and strong legs using precise telescopic height adjustment. Strong desk frame support. With all-steel construction, the desk frame supports up to 220 pounds. This ensures maximum stability and sturdiness for a variety of monitor and laptop setups, giving you a solid foundation for all your equipment. Memory controller. The easy-to-use push-button controller features 4 memory presets to save your desired heights. With a simple click of a button, you can say goodbye to long hours of sitting and end the day feeling energized and...
Number 2. ErGear Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk, 48 by 24 inches sit-stand-up desk, memory computer home office desk, vintage brown. Brand, ErGear. Desk design, computer desk, standing desk. Model name, electric standing desk. Shape, rectangular. Color, vintage brown. Style, modern. Base material, carbon steel. Top material type, engineered wood. Finish type, laminated. Outstanding stability. This electric standing desk has a sturdy, solid steel frame with aerospace-grade lifting column connectors, still stable and secure after testing 100,031 times. It's a firm foundation for work, even at full height. Smooth height adjustment. Freely select electric standing desk height from 28.35 inches to 46.77 inches. Save your favorite 3 settings and smoothly switch between them. Uprated motor, powerful lifting performance, and reliable long-term operation. Safe, low VOC materials. Formaldehyde and other VOC emissions are sharply reduced, meeting U.S. federal and state safe air standards.
Number 3. SHW 55 by 28 inches electric height adjustable standing desk with drawer and memory preset, maple. Brand, SHW. Desk design, standing desk. Shape, rectangular. Color, maple. Style, Modern. Base material, metal. Top material type, engineered wood. Finish type, laminated. Special feature, adjustable height, ergonomic, memory preset. Built-in convenience features. Includes integrated hooks for headphones or bags, a cable management tray, and desktop grommets to keep wires organized and out of sight. Enhanced stability and comfort. Equipped with adjustable floor levelers for a stable setup on uneven surfaces and a curved edge desktop design for ergonomic wrist support. Quiet and reliable performance, powered by a quiet, smooth motorized lift system that ensures seamless transitions between sitting and standing positions. Integrated storage drawer. Includes a built-in drawer to keep office supplies and personal items within reach, maintaining a clutter-free environment conducive to focus and efficiency. Spacious work surface. The 55 by 28-inch desktop provides ample space to accommodate dual monitors, laptops, and other essential office equipment, supporting a productive and organized workspace.
Number 1. Veken 55-inch large electric standing desk. Sit to stand up, heights adjustable. Work, home office, computer table for study, walking pad, writing, and games. Wooden desktop desks. Brand, Veken. Desk design, computer desk, standing desk. Lifting mechanism, electric. Shape, rectangular. Color, white. Style, industrial. Base material, carbon steel. Top material type, engineered wood. Finish type, laminated. Electric height adjustment, sit or stand anytime. Quiet motor, under 52 decibels, with memory presets. Easily switch between sitting and standing from 28.3 inches to 46.5 inches to help reduce sedentary time. Sturdy and stable, stays solid at full height. Strong steel frame remains stable even when fully extended. Performance may vary slightly by floor type and load weight, but reliable for daily work, gaming, or study. Spacious 55-inch desktop with cable management. Large 55-inch surface fits multiple monitors and gear. Built-in cable management keeps cords tidy for a clean, organized workspace. Quiet and smooth height adjustment. Powerful motor enables seamless height changes and stable transitions, helping create a peaceful workspace that sparks creativity. Easy assembly and great value. Clear instructions and straightforward setup in 10 to 30 minutes. Offers electric height adjustment, memory presets, and solid build quality.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.